Almost dropped it there. Still on the Highway 1. Going through some farm country north of Lompoc, north of Santa Maria, and Guadalupe, where we made the last video about the strawberries. And now we just passed the Trilogy Business Park. And we're riding along through a whole bunch of eucalyptus trees. Pretty nice ride, but it's a little hilly, a lot of ups and downs. Definitely getting the workout on today. And then over to the left is some sand dunes and the ocean. Requires licensing keys and software licensing fees to install parts. Physical parts need software license keys. That's fucking bullshit. So now we got Farmer John and Helper Jose buying Ukrainian pirated firmware on the black market with Bitcoin to hack the tractors so they can install the new spark plugs they paid for. And it's all part of the battle to stop hemp farming. They're worried that the farmers are going to switch to hemp farming. They're not going to need that shit anymore. They're going to have tons of money, free lubricants and oil, and they'll be able to fix their own stuff. In case you didn't know about that, don't buy John Deere shit. Not even a lawnmower until they stop doing this crap. People have the right to repair the stuff that they purchase.